Where's your remote control, Maddie? Rocky, Rocky.
Go backwards, not forward. There you go, backwards. This.
Rocky, Rocky. Is that your rocking chair? She loves it. Daddy. Maddie. Dada. Nada. Nana.
What the heck you got in your mouth? Spit it.
Where's your kitty? Where's your kitty?
We'll get her out here for you, Maddie. Nala!
Nala Nala. Do it, Maddie. Call for her. Say Nala Nala. Yeah.
You like that chair a lot, huh?
You need your newspaper and remote control and you'll be set. Your TV control. Maddie, who's that? Who's that? Hey. Who's holding you?
Back down and go sit down again. Okay, go to it.
She's like, how do I get into it? How do I get my butt in it, Dad?
You move this so your butt's not sitting on that hard with your stuff. There we go. Not your face, your butt. Turn around. Turn around. And sit.
There you go.
Now you can sit that way too. Now you look like Japanese baby because you sit with your feet curled up on the chair with you.
Yay! Yay, Maddie!
Don't over too far. You're going to douche your face. Yeah, that's right. The floor's still there. What are you doing?
She wants to figure out how to get in it on her own, I think.
I think you're still too small for that, Maddie.
Either that or she wants to push it and walk with it. Maddie. Madeline. Yes, you can put the snot sucker in the chair.
She put my shoe up there and was rocking it back and forth with my shoe with her. And she puts her mouth there now. Maddie.
Mwah. Mwah. Blow me a kiss. She says, nope, I'm too busy with this.
Too busy with my toys.
My snot sucker toy. Look at those rolls. Thunder Toys. We're gonna embarrass you so bad with these videos, Maddie. Look at those rolls.
You're gonna go get it? You're gonna bring your chair with you though?
She's like, yep.
There we go. Now I can get both of them.
That's so funny. Maddie, bye-bye. Get out of there. Bye-bye. Madeline. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Maddie, no! Get out of that. Come here, wave bye-bye to Mom. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah. Daddy looking at.